may have seen in our community post, we were contacted by Olight about reviewing a torch. And now I'm here to review it, as we've given it quite a trial to be sure that it is something that we're happy to put our name to, I guess. It's an Olight, it's a Baton 3, and I can't believe how tiny it is. When we first got it, it was like, oh my gosh, it's just not going to be useful at all. But it really, really is. This is the torch. It's so small, like it's the size of my thumb. It has 3 settings. We tested it on the highest setting, and that lasted approximately an hour and 45 minutes. Pretty good. Full strength. It's 1200 lumens. We then started to test it on the low setting, which Olight claim lasts for 20 days. And after a week, we decided it was probably true. So we didn't actually completely test that it will last 20 days once it's fully charged, but I do believe it lasted a week. So that's pretty phenomenal just on low. It comes with its own charger, so it comes in a kit. It just simply slips in there and it charges in there. You've got the USB charger to charge the battery. And I keep it in my handbag. It's been really handy. I've really been surprised by it. Just pull it out. It's got a magnetic bottom, so you can stick it and be hands-free. I've used it in the rooftop tent as like a reading light. I took it into the drop toilets and was able just to clip it there, so that you don't have to sit your torch on the floor or whatever. It was great. With the 2-way clip, you can clip it onto your hat. I've just found it really quite handy. You may recall that when we went to the waterfall, whilst we were up in the higher plains, we packed our pack and we had to take one of our bigger torches. Well, now we put this in with the charger. Perfect. If we do get stuck, we've got 20 days of low light. Not enough food, but 20 days of light. It only weighs 53 grams. So having it in your handbag is awesome. Issues. The one issue that I have with the whole Olight torch setup is the packaging. It comes in this box, which, as you can see, it's a pretty bloody sturdy box, right? Then you open it up. There's a magnet in here. There's all this packaging. Look at it all. It's just terrible. Look. Look. Too much. This is landfill. Love the torch. Hate the packaging. Would I recommend the torch? Yes. So from 8 o'clock on the 26th of July, they will be having a sale on this particular product, and that will go until the 30th of July at midnight. So yeah, if you're keen, check out the link below. Yeah, it's tiny. So cute. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want a reminder, hit the bell. And remember, we always love a thumbs up.